Let's just analyze this new GPDA group picture. So Lewis Hamilton, being the legend, was given the centermost position. Quite understandable. Bottas told him, "I got your back, Lewis. I got your back," and went behind him. A lovely gesture. As soon as Checo heard the word back and behind, he got excited and joined Bottas in the last row. Then Charles Leclerc, who has been suffering from food poisoning, thought that it would be the best for him and everyone else that there is no one behind him, so he was sent to the last row. I can guarantee you there were no complaints from anyone regarding Charles' decision. Now coming back to Zhou, it's a tricky case because I have no idea where this leg is coming from or which position they are sitting in or what's happening behind. So I'm not too sure if this is a real picture or an edited picture because this area certainly looks very suspicious. So Esteban Ocon was on his way to Abu Dhabi for the group picture, but something bizarre happened. On the flight, he saw Duhan and he said, "Hi Jack," and he was taken into custody by the authorities. Meanwhile, Nico Hülkenberg was very strategically positioned just ahead of Lance Stroll to hide his face. Lando and Franco, the gossip queens, wanted to be around George and Max in case there is any kind of murmur happening between them so that they can listen and give it to the media. With 0 penalty points, K-Mag is on a mission to create chaos in the final race of his F1 career, and he has started it on a bang. Carl wanted to be together and he said, "Hold my beer, fellas." Ha ha ha. Just like school days, Yuki Tsunoda's position was decided due to his height. Meanwhile, Lawson did not get the visa for back row, so he had to settle for the front row. And lastly, George and Maxi together. So Fernando Alonso made an announcement that the current world champion and GPDA president must sit together in the front row. The entire grid obviously agreed to it, and the two cuties could not say no to Fernando Alonso. Pierre Gasly was asked to calm down George from behind. Meanwhile, Colapinto is just here for the gossip.